Alright, this is gonna be my first tutorial video. I just got this new 4TB PS5 hard drive, and I figured I'd do a video and show you guys how to install it. So the first thing you want to do, if you got the disk drive, you want to have your disk drive right here, and you're gonna lift up on this corner, and as you lift up, you're gonna slide this down. All right. Now right here, this is where your external or your new SSD drive is going to go. Sony conveniently put a slot for a new SSD drive, so you don't have to do any sort of removal or transferring of files or anything like that when dealing with your new hard drive. This is the new hard drive here. I'm gonna give that a minute before I put that in. Alright, now you're gonna take